Here we are. It's the afternoon here. I'm going to be starting digging off this first square on my allotment. You can see I've been starting to cut back the brambles. Started down right now. I'll get some more into them this weekend, Saturday or Sunday. I'll get that cleared right to the back there. Yeah, so job is to start this. I might only do a couple of feet today, but a little bit at a time, and I'm sure I'm going to get there. Let's get cracking. Well, not bad. I started, and I've got this done today, so, well, about an hour. So yeah, probably 6 foot by 12 foot, something like that. But yeah, get it rough digging over. There's still some weeds in there, but what I'll do is just get the hoe, and as they come top of them, I'll just chop the heads off and kill them off like that. Once I wait to go over. But yeah, I'm out of breath a little bit. It's harder work than I thought. Yeah, I've got all this to do yet. Oh, this has been piled up here. Compost bins and that. All this cutting back, sorting out all the way down here. It's sorting. This is up. A lot of onions, a lot of leeks still in. This is sweet corn from last year. There's 2 compost bins. They've not been used for a bit. But yeah, all this is, I'm not even looked down this side yet. I've got a big, there's a lot of canes that I can use. They'll come in handy. Oh, there's a nice little path. And I've got some rhubarb. As you know, I've got. So mine finishes here, my allotment. So let's turn around like so. Somebody's been having a run of beans up there last year. As you can see, it's quite a big space. Wow. But yeah. These raspberry canes are going to be nice. Looking forward to a raspberry pie. I don't know what these are, but we'll see when they come out. But yeah, this is probably going to be the hardest bit. This has not been done, this is probably a year. But everything else, I should be able to get on top of. But yeah, I like that path, it's really nice. I need to get all this carpet up, somebody's put a lot of carpet now, and I hate that in allotment. You need to rip it all up. You end up getting in the soil eventually. You end up strands every time you're digging. But yeah, there's the view. Nice down the middle. But yeah, you see the little bit I've done. I'll come back tomorrow and try and get this section finished off. But yeah, we're looking forward to it. And remember folks, happy sowing, happy growing. Have a good day everybody. Thank you, bye.